welcome to my channel. It's been a very long while, 3 years to be exact. I kind of just opened my channel and posted a couple videos, and I completely neglected it. And I would respond to comments here and there, but not as often. And you guys really liked the videos that I posted. So I wanted to come back this year and be more consistent and post more videos, because now my crafts have kind of changed and improved, and I also make like just so many more different things now. But I just wanted to post this video to kind of introduce myself and also answer a lot of frequent questions that I got in my past videos that I never replied back. I know it's been a while, but maybe you guys still want to know. So my name is Ivy. I am located in Maryland. I'm from Maryland. A lot of people call me Cookie, and that's where One Crafty Cookie came from, even though a lot of people will mistake me for making cookies. I do not make cookies. I started One Crafty Cookie in 2017. I always loved to craft for as long as I can remember. So one day I was just like, why don't I just start selling my crafts? I started off with selling paper flowers, and I actually used to do paper flower backdrops, like set up paper flower backdrops, and I did that for a couple of years. I think 2 or 3 years I was doing that. But I would also do like the names and cake toppers and stuff like that. So it's been like 2 years, 2 or 3 years, maybe 2 years, that I stopped doing paper flower backdrops. And I still do paper flowers sometimes, but definitely not as often as I used to. So now I basically just do like cake toppers, favor boxes. I still do a lot of name signs or like backdrop signs and things like that, like handmade party decor. So yeah, I kind of just wanted to make this channel to like give you guys tips for you to make your own like names or favor boxes or stuff like that. Or just, I also really like showing like the process of me making like my orders and everything. And if you guys want to see more of my work, you can follow me on Instagram at onecraftycookie_. So yeah, that's a little bit about me. I also wanted to answer a couple frequently asked questions that I didn't comment back to on my previous videos, and I know it's been 3 years, but hopefully it's not too late. The most frequent asked question was, how do I attach my names on my backdrops? And I use well, for curtain backdrops, I use bar pins. They look like this. The back is flat, so I'll put hot glue on here and put it on the back of the name sign. And then I'll also add a little piece of tape just to extra secure it. So yeah, these are just safety pins with a flat back. And then you just pin directly onto the curtain. And in my experience, they do not damage the curtain as long as you're careful. But yeah, so that's one method that I use. Another one is floral wire. This can be used for like boxwood backdrops, or even like wood backdrops, maybe if they have like holes to go through the back. So I'll just cut a little piece of floral wire and kind of bend it in like a U shape, and then I'll put hot glue on the name sign and glue it on the back of the name sign. And then I also put a piece of tape to extra secure it. And then you just will like twist to secure it to the backdrop. So another question I got a lot was, what kind of board do I use? I use 20 by 30 foam board, Elmer's. Well, I used to use Elmer's brand, but they switched the brand. I don't know what happened there, but it was Elmer's and now it's something else. But I get it from Michael's and I order it in bulk. Because I do make a lot of name signs or backdrop signs, so I order it in bulk from Michael's. If this is a project for yourself, for your own party, you can use a Dollar Tree foam board, but in my opinion, it doesn't cut smoothly and you'll have rough edges. But if you don't care about that, then I feel like you can use the Dollar Tree foam board. And also I used to only glitter my name signs, but now I also have them without glitter. I'll show you some examples here. But yeah, so to like attach the glitter, I use Mod Podge and put Mod Podge on there with a little foam brush, then glitter, and then I'll seal it with a mix of Mod Podge, water, a little bit of water and glitter, and then I'll just sponge that on top of the glitter to have less fallout. You're always gonna have a little bit of fallout, but it's not gonna be nowhere near if you don't seal it. If you guys want a video on showing me how I glitter them, let me know. I'm sorry if I'm like all over the place and jumping from one thing to another. I'm not really used to being on camera, but it's a new year. We're trying new things and we're getting out of our comfort zone. So yeah, I think that's it. If you guys have any more questions like regarding the name signs and stuff, I'll be happy to answer them, and this time I will really answer them. But like I said, I probably will make another like updated video on how I make my name signs. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for not unsubscribing if you're subscribed. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.